All right, in this quick video, we're going to show you how we navigate around a magic sheet. Here is a single magic sheet. It's Magic Sheet 1, and it's the full page view here. And on here, we've got 5 separate channels. And then just for this demonstration, in the upper right-hand corner here, we've got a couple of different targets. So when I click on View 3, it zooms in, and View 1 zooms us back out. So let's take a look into Edit Mode and see how these are created. I click on the View 1, and you can see the target type is Magic Sheet, and I have 1/1, that's Magic Sheet 1/View 1, and I've got it just labeled as View 1. And then View 3 is 1/3 for the third view. And then these just trigger Macro 1 and Macro 2. And then we'll go into the macro editor to take a look at how those macros are made. You can see Macro 1 is simply Magic Sheet 1, and then it's Part 1. And then the second one is Part 3. And so the part is how we choose the specific view number. And then what we'll do is we'll go back and we'll create a new view here. So I'm going to zoom in here on a different channel here. And then this time we'll choose channel 2. And I'll click on the gear icon. I'm going to choose Add View. And then down on the command line, you'll see where it says View 5. Now that we've got that, we'll be able to go over and change our target here. And so when I go into Edit Mode, I'll choose this Magic Sheet View 3, and I'm going to make that View 5, and then this will be 1/5. And when I jump out of the editor mode, when I click on it, it zooms us into that view. Something else I'll point out really quick about this is that if an entire Magic page is loaded in its entirety when you go to it, and so when it comes to this, what we don't want to be doing is really just creating separate views and just navigating zoomed in portions of a Magic Sheet. It can be a waste of resources. So where views work really well is when you're going to spend most of your time in the full zoomed out view, but then occasionally you want to zoom in closer to view the details of a specific item. So here we zoom in close to channel 3 so we can see it perhaps in detail, and then zoom back out to the full size. But what you don't want to do is just create what really should be multiple Magic Sheets spread out, or multiple pages that really should be their own Magic Sheets. All right, I hope that gives you some good information.